morning. Welcome to our channel Happy Vision. Viewers, today we are going to show you our most selling and the beautiful jacket for you and me. Also, my favorite jacket, the Captain America, because we are making superhero costumes from last couple of years. From among those superhero jackets and the costumes, I prefer the Captain America jackets. And for the interesting thing is that we are going to make in two in one for the riders. Motorbike riders also can enjoy their own Marvel hero as a Captain America while riding. So before starting the review, you are requested to please subscribe our channel and hope you like the video and press the like button so you can get the notification of our latest more superhero costumes upcoming days. Viewers, in front of you, it's a Captain America jacket made in the Cadora fabric, textile fabric. Before going into the detailed review about this jacket, let me give you the brief description, little description, the history of Captain America. Captain America is a superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics, created by cartoonists Joe Simon and Jack Kirby. The character first appeared in Captain America comic number one from Timely Comics, a predecessor of Marvel Comics. In, for example, in the motorbike industry, let's come in the motorbike industry in Captain America, the first Avenger. Cap rides a 1942 Harley Davidson WLA Liberator into battle against the Red Skull. In the Avengers, Captain Rogers switched to a 2012 Harley Davidson Softail Slim as his personal form of transportation. Viewers, the fabric you are seeing is 100% polyester. The water resistant fabric 600D DuPont, and it's imported and the good fabric. And you see the front is the exactly the movie. It's a movie presentation. It's a very beautiful star logo here, and these are the made of reflector because it give a good visions while riding bike riding in the evening. So these are the reflectors we use here. These are the very high quality we use in it. And when it comes to we make in mix two colors of this jacket, white and black. Regarding the colors, we have so many color options. Later I tell you about this. So here is the contrast with this white and black. Here the white fabric, the same fabric we use here, and in comes the front. It's the perforated. It's a perforated fabric. It's also a very good and the imported fabric in perforated style. It makes with this logo and this it makes it the Captain America giving a Captain America look. And here in front you can see the foam padding, very nice and visible foam padding and very soft and they give good feeling as if to the jacket. It enhance the beauty of the jacket. And when it comes to the zippers, we use YKK zippers in it, high quality zippers we are using in it, and the specific for the motorbike riders, heavy bike riders for the zippers. So there are two side pockets also the same. The small zippers are also YKK we are using, and the pocket is made of the Tafita water resistant fabric. It's a very thick and heavy quality we are using in it. And we did the water in jacket we use the waterproof sealing around all stitching corners to so that you can also ride while in the raining without any problem. Next, let's come to the sleeve. Here we give the option of two buttons according to the adjustment of your sleeves. Either you can fix with this here or with this according to your according to body and the shoulder sleeves, so that where you feel comfortable. And also in elbow we are using the very soft foam padding here in it. Next, cuff is fastening with a velcro, and also we use here also YKK zipper. It we are making this the cuff with using two different so that you can fasten or tighten as per your fitting. Next, let's come to the shoulder. Very beautiful stitch design in the front. Exactly, this was a copy if you send the presentation with the Captain America superhero jacket. here in the both side of a shoulder. We gave this the beautiful style with the stitching, straight stitching. We did very beautiful and the professional stitching we designed. And on the shoulder, we both shoulder side, there are you are seeing here the ventilated pockets with mesh. These are the ventilated pockets. Let's talk about the collar. Collar and we fastening with the Velcro is a very high quality and good quality Velcro we are using in it. And here around the corner, we trimming with the trimming stitch with the design with the nipple we used in it, and micro twill fabric we use around the neck. And here you can see the size of the jacket. We have different sizes available, small to 3XL, or also we are having the customization of the sizes. If you have, you can share us with your body measurements and let us make for you. So you can buy a one jacket, two jacket. And the good thing for the lovers of the motorbike riders, you can contact us in the email or by WhatsApp or description. We have also this stock in the USA for our USA customers who are who are loving with their own hero with the superhero jackets like the Captain America and other comic heroes. Let's talk about the backside. In the center you also see the perforated design, very perforated material we use in it. It's a very good feeling. And around this you can see surrounding of this perforated in the center we are using the rubber cut. Where is the eva sheet is the imported eva sheet, and it gives the very beautiful feeling for the and also increase the beauty of the jacket. And you can also get here on the back side of the star logo again with this the reflector. It gives the in the while riding in the evening, and also contrast with the white DuPont 600D water resistant fabric and the black one. It's a combination of two different fabrics. At the bottom you are seeing here very good stitching and the foam padding filling in the bottom of this in the back side of the bottom also. And you can see here the very good stitching to make it the beautiful design. Viewers, when we talk about motorbike jackets, motorbike riding, so the jacket is incomplete if we discuss if we not put or not discuss about the protection. Because what gives the best feeling and the perfect feeling for the motorbike jackets, it includes the body armor, protection armor to make it complete motorbike jacket. Let's start with the inside of this one. You can get here inside where the zipper you can carry here the mobile in it, and also the pocket with this material. Tafita material is the water resistant material. The first layer of this one we use here is the Tafita lining. It's a water resistant lining and it's a very good. And if you are requiring is a more expensive one, we do have the Risa that is more expensive than this. It's also very high quality and good. But the pro riders mostly using this the polyester combination with this Tafita. And for the very high quality with the professional riders, we are making in nylon and fabric 600D, and also with this Risa is the one upper grade. But the heavily we are making this one because it's the price conscious customers. And also regarding the you can see in the video the quality of this material, and also you can also seeing the stitching, beautiful stitching of our professional craftsmen who are with who are serving to our company from last many years in motorbike making, stitching, and other articles. At the end inside we are with this we connect the it is called the connection connecting zip, and with the help of the new print. So you can join also you can join the trouser with this to make it the complete motorbike suits with this one with the help of this connecting zip. It is again also YKK and also very good quality and thick and the heavy material of the zip we use in it, heavy fabric zip we use in it. Here you can put the main backside of the protection. First here protection inside, and the most important thing, as this is as you seeing, it's ideal for the summer. If you want to use this for as the winter season is in progress, if you want in the winter season, you can attach the quilt with this help, because it is two in one. You can use in a winter, also you can use in a summer season also as well. So the winter quilt is made normally with your 50-gram filling, 70-gram filling, up to the customer. So it is up to your choice. As per concern with the protection, we are giving the protection in the backside, on the shoulder. You can hear shoulder, and also we are giving the protection to the elbow. So elbow, shoulder, back protection available for complete, and these protection are CE mark certificate we have, with a very good high quality. We can also show you in the end of a clip the protection of different styles. In the end, I thankful to all of my viewers watching till end. And regarding the sizes, let me clear it: the small, medium, large to till 3XL, and the customization is available. Regarding the colors, different colors are available. You are seeing it the black, white. We have different navy blue, light blue, white, red. As per the choice of a customer, we have variety of colors. You can contact us in the comment section or description, or the WhatsApp running in the video clip. Anytime you can contact us for any more information. We will happy to give you as per as possible more information, so you can have a good choice before buying. And we will happy to make one jacket and also for two. And the most important thing, the most good thing for our USA customers, for the superhero lovers and the bike riders, because we have this jackets and this style in the USA, you can buy as the small to 3XL. Otherwise, if you are looking for the customization, you can write us on the WhatsApp or email. We will happy to make customization according to your body measurements. And please, in the end, don't forget to subscribe our channel, so you can get the notification of upcoming videos on the daily basis whenever we upload. Very soon we are going to share with you upcoming and the new models of our superhero and the latest movies, upcoming latest movies. You can get all the notification while subscribing our channel. Take care. Goodbye.